Welcome back to another Bryanston School IB 2025 Sheen Onshape tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can edit parts, and those parts will update in the assembly that they appear in. So let's open up the model of Sheen, and let's just make sure that we're in the Part Studio. So at the moment we're in the assembly. If we left click on Part Studio, and you can see that we've got the work planes and all of the different operations that we've done. So what we're going to do is we're going to update the legs. We're going to make the legs look a bit more like robot legs perhaps. So I'm just going to get rid of the origin and the work planes that are there just to make things a little clearer. So I've hidden those by clicking on the little eye icon. And I'm going to pick one of the outside edges of a leg, right click, left click on new sketch, press N to view. So the first thing I'm going to do is create an offset profile of the shape. So I'm going to use the offset tool. I'm just going to click on the whole surface here. You see it's gone on the outside. I'm going to drag that in to the inside, and I am going to zoom in a little bit, left click to confirm it, but I'm going to change the distance just to 2 millimeters. And around here I don't want this little bit really, so I'm going to use the extend tool. So if I go to the cut tool, under there I've got the extend. I can left click on there and bring that round like so, and if I zoom in you'll see there's just a little bit of an extension there, so I don't want those. So let's go back to the trim tool, trim off the straight line and these straight lines. So I've now got that nice shape, but I'm also going to add a couple of other things as well. So I'm going to put 3 circles in there. So center circle, click on the center of that one, create a circle, center of that one, left click to place the circle, center of that one, left click to place it. Let's dimension those. So the top one I'm going to dimension 16, 16, hit enter. The middle one is going to be 12, and the bottom one is going to be 8. So there's my sketch. I'm going to extrude, and I don't want to go outwards, I want to go inwards. So remove, and I'm going to make that distance 3 millimeters. Hit return, left click to confirm. There you go, that looks a little bit more sort of robot-y, a little bit more industrial I suppose. But let's round these off, make them look like rivets. So I'm going to go to the fillet tool and round those off. Now it doesn't like the distance, it's too big. Change that to 3 and they're all happy. Now I've done it on that side, I probably ought to do it on the other side as well. So let's use the mirror tool, and I need to make sure I've got my front work plane, so make that one visible. The mirror plane is going to be the front, and the entities, we're not going to part mirror, we're going to feature mirror, and the feature is going to be extrude 12 and fillet 4. And remember, if it doesn't like it, it has done it, but if it doesn't like it we can click reapply features and that will override things. Go back to isometric, and there is our model. But has it done anything to the assembly? Well, let's go and have a look in the assembly, and there we look in our assembly. It's updated those parts as well because they are linked. If we make a change, it updates any assemblies that use those parts. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.